Stairplan started in 1977. I left school at 15 and trained as a carpenter and joiner. After the first 5 years, I went self-employed, and I decided that I liked putting roofs on and I liked making staircases. Hello, I'm Graham Thomas. I'm the founder and managing director of Stairplan. I started making the staircases in my garage at home. Every Saturday morning with a router, and decided to rent a workshop from an old joiner, and the business just grew. The better we made the stair, the more business we got. And we like quality. It was bred into me as an apprentice. And at the age of 27, I had my first factory unit. I built this unit, set it up like a school classroom. And everything in them days we made by hand. Only power tools were a cross-cut saw and a hand router. Then the business moved forward and we bought our first factory. The demand for the quality was great. Where we've got great craftsmen. They've all been trained by us. We pride ourselves in our staff. We are very automated and gone with the times with CNCs and software. That's the future, but you'll never be able to do it without the skills of a craftsman to be able to use these modern tools, know what you're going to do with them, and that's what we've enjoyed doing. We are very proud of the product that we produce. And we produce for lots of really good craftsmen who appreciate quality. They understand that the way it's built is traditional with the modern twist. That's all the advantages of using technology to get a better staircase. We believe it's as good as you're going to get. But we don't want to be a great big business. We just want to enjoy what we do and make nice products. We source the materials the best we can buy. When you visit us or visit our showroom, you'll be able to see the quality for yourselves.